Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a very chill kind of video day because it's actually 10 p.m. I'm testing out the new lighting and the new backdrop setup and seeing if I can actually film at 10 p.m. So I think the lighting is pretty okay. It's pretty good actually because it's completely dark outside and I used to only film with natural lighting, but that's not the case right now. Anyway, without talking more about the setup, I'm gonna dive right into today's video. It's a casual video. I have no makeup on my face today. I'm not usually like this if you're new here. I took a poll on my Instagram. I actually called this new thing from Nykaa, and I took a poll on Instagram if you guys want to see a new review and first impression sort of video. So this is the Philips hair straightener sort of thing. It's a natural, straight and smooth. It's from the Kerashine range and it is the comb plus blow dryer sort of thing. It is infused with keratin, so it takes care of your hair and it also gives you a straight look with a comb sort of thing. It's been in the market for quite some time now, but I never tried it out. Recently, since I'm doing YouTube and my hair does not behave all the time and I need to record out of the blue anytime, so I'll always have to blow dry my hair. Like I don't own a straightener, I own a blow dryer, like a clip and press iron blow dryer which I got from Dubai, and that really damages my hair because it tugs on your hair a lot and I have very scanty hair, so I'm really scared about hair fall. So then I went on to Nykaa and I found this product which I had seen long back when it launched, but finally got down to buying it, and a lot of you guys wanted to see reviews. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. Let's dive into trying this product. So it comes with this comb separately and it comes with this blow dryer thing. So this is the usual blow dryer nozzle which we get, and it has a pretty long cord. So I'm going to connect it and dive right into the video. We'll just go through the user manual just briefly. So it comes with the Nykaa invoice, of course. This you gotta keep if you want to keep it in warranty period. I think it has 2-year warranty, which is pretty good according to me. So that's why I'm gonna keep the invoice. And the user manual, I think is pretty easy. It's just like it says use on your wet hair. So dry your hair, then connect this comb, plug it on, and then just spritz your hair with some hair protectant, heat protectant, and then yeah, go with it. So let's do that. I'm going to connect this comb-like thing over here to the blow dryer. Okay, so I've plugged it in. I'm just going to spritz my hair with some Toni & Guy Heat Protectant Mist. This comes with a double heat sort of thing. The wire is long enough. My 3-pin is right there, so it could pull on. There's a 0, then there's a TP, whatever that means. And then there's a full-on heat. So let's see. Okay, so the TP is cool air and the double heat is hot air. Let me just read the manual and confirm that. Okay, so the TP means thermoprotect, and that's for gentle drying and styling, preventing your hair from overheating. And the strong airflow and fast drying is the other version. So this has like 2 double heating, which is that good actually. But I think I'll go for the double heating option because it's 10 o'clock and I really want to sleep. I want to get done with this and sleep, so I'm going to separate my hair out. Like you guys know, I have like normal to frizzy hair. There are days when it acts normal, there are days when it acts frizzy. Okay, so I'm done with blow drying, combing, whatever this side of my hair. I think I'm pretty satisfied with how this side turned out. I am of course left with this side. Now you know, see, I have like wavy hair and after some time if I don't put serum on it, it'll get frizzy. This was pretty quick actually. It just took me 7 minutes tops to get this done. Basically what it does is dries your hair super quickly because the air is like properly distributed amongst these layers. So it completely dries your hair very fast. 7 minutes for this section is like another 7 minutes for this and I'm out the door. So that would be super quick for someone like me who takes 30 minutes to blow dry her hair. Now this would be suitable for someone who has low or medium volume of hair like me. I feel mine is like medium. There are people who have scantier hair than me. Anybody who has a lot of volume in their hair, like you have pretty dense hair, I don't think this would work for you at all. because basically this would just dry your hair out. This would help you dry your hair super quick, but this would not help you straight style your hair. Now my hair is very easy to straight style. You literally saw how quick this was, and this much heat is enough for my hair to straight style because my hair is wavy. It's not curly, it's not super straight as well. So it kind of gets tamed very quickly. Someone with hair like me, I think you would really like this product, and especially with a life like mine where I'm constantly on the run. This is honestly a lifesaver for me, I feel. I'll just quickly get done with my hair and give you my final thoughts. So I completed blow drying all my hair and I do have some thoughts. But I'm going to add some serum to my hair real quick. I'm going to use the Balage Matrix Smooth Proof Serum. This is what I use since a while now and I really like it. So as you can see, my hair has completely straightened out, but that's because my hair has very little volume. Now this took me 15 minutes off camera. I took 5 minutes on camera and 15 minutes off camera, and I really went into depth on the left side as well. I think it's a great product for somebody who has, like I said, low to medium hair in volume, or short hair maybe, or someone who's basically not looking for super straight hair, or wants to blow dry their hair regularly but does not want to damage their hair. Because I swear to God, not one strand of hair fell. Like all around me, I can't even see one strand of hair. And usually when I blow dry my hair, there's like a lot of hair falling because it keeps tugging at your hair. Even when you straight style your hair, I feel like it keeps stripping off a layer of the keratin from your hair and kind of damages your hair, which I didn't feel with this product because it's simply a blow dryer in a comb. So it distributes heat very evenly, does not damage your hair. Hence it might take you longer to achieve this straight styling. Like it took me 20 minutes to achieve this straight styled hair, and like you can see, my hair is very scanty. It's not so much in volume, but I think this is a very good quick fix for someone like me. It does not hurt your hand because it's very lightweight. You might feel this is very heavy in like size and stuff, but heavy in like weight, but it's not. It's very lightweight, does not hurt your hand to hold it, does not tug at your hair, does not damage your hair, does not, like, you know, overheat your scalp when you're blow drying or when you're straight styling. You kind of get chatkas many times because you overheat your scalp. This is not, it's not the case with this. I just doubt how long this is gonna last on my hair basically, because I hit the gym, and when I'm gonna sweat, even in college, forget gym, even in college, if I'm gonna sweat, this is gonna kind of, I feel, go away. If you're someone from a low to medium volume kind of girl, kind of hair girl, then you should totally get this product. I think it'll benefit you if you're going for a blow dry or straight look almost every day. If you have frizzy hair, this is a good solution. If you're a person with really dense volume, then I don't think you should go for this because it will not help you in any way. It will literally just blow dry your hair. So if you already have a blow dryer at home, you can pass on this. This costs 2,600, so I think it's a fair price. I don't think it's overpriced at all. I think Philips did a good job for someone looking for a quick style on the go and someone who has less volume of hair. I just feel if these comb bristles were more densely packed and these rows were like more in number, it would help even more higher volume people, if you know what I mean. But apart from that, I think it's a fairly good product. I don't hate on it at all. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this review cum demo cum first impressions kind of video. I really enjoyed it. It was very casual, without any glam look or without any professional anything on my video basis. Only my setup is really professional. I'm so excited for this setup. Just let me know in the comments if you guys also like the setup. I really like everything which is going on in the backdrop. I can't stop looking at it in the viewfinder because my friends have taken so much effort to get me this. I was not even thinking in my wildest of dreams I would have this setup so soon in my channel, like on my videos so soon in my YouTube journey. But yeah, all thanks to them. Huge shout out to my friends. I love you guys so much if you guys are watching, and I love you all my subscribers. If you're new here, then please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. It's absolutely free, and all my reviews are 100% honest all the time. None of my videos are sponsored. Yeah, so I will see you next Thursday or Sunday whenever you guys are watching this video. Until then, bye.